let's make this delicious prawns and fish tikka curry. It's really popular in my home and you'll need just a handful of ingredients. So I popped into my local Farmfoods where they sell great quality food at a low price to pick up all my ingredients. It's so quick and easy, so let's get started. In your preheated pot, pour in the oil, add in your Farmfoods frozen diced onions. These are so convenient, no tears over here, and then fry until golden. Blitz tin tomatoes, add to the pot along with garlic, chili flakes to add some kick, tikka paste and a little salt, and it's already smelling so good. Give it a mix and then you place your cod fillets and the prawns in the pot, cover and cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes until little moisture is left, and a little lemon juice, and serve with naan. See how easy this recipe was? So check out your local Farmfoods today for the convenience of frozen food where you can feed your whole family quickly with no mess and no waste. Enjoy!